Welcome to our retreat. This is where we go when we come back from our trips. It's only a little base, but it's for us. Excuse me, because I'm never usually on camera on my own. So please bear with me. Right, here we go. We do have a door, it's just wide open. Here we go. Is Steve hiding? So start with the decking. Here we go. Look at this lovely decking. And look, we've got sunshine all day. And it's so peaceful. Listen. It's so quiet. Oh, it's heaven. Under there is another bed. We don't need much, do we? Hey, stop that music. Stop that music before we get copyright. Yeah. So this was furnished. Not that table, but the sofas were here. And this bench was in when we came as well. Yeah, so not bad. Wash machine. Air fryer, microwave, fridge, freezer, gas cooker. The gas is at the back. It's a big thing, you know, plug it in and switch it on. Yeah, I don't know much. This is my favourite room. I love it. Oh, I've turned the lights out. Hold on, let me pop the lights on quick. Let's start that one again. And now we're going into my favourite room. I love this room. It's so peaceful. And we've got all our little bits out just to make it home. Yeah. And we've got our own toilet, little sink, you know. Yeah. And it's just, oh, that bed's so comfortable. Now into the bathroom. In here. Bit dark, put the light on. It's nice, really nice. All that we want, yes. I've got Dubai air freshener. You know, you can see I'm not good on camera. And this is our dump room. I say it's a dump room. It's a spare room. It's got 2 single beds. You know, so if Steve's a naughty boy, he can come and get in that bed one night. But we're obviously packing for our next adventure. You know where that is, because I've been going on about it so much. But that's it. That's our place, and we just love it. It's just so nice to have something to come back to when we're away. So, where's Steve? Always put this drone up. So, thanks for coming along. Hope you enjoyed it. We're going to just give you some drone footage now of the place.
You are my sunshine. I want the world to know you are my sunshine. You are my sunshine. I want the world to know you are my sunshine.
Right, I'm going to take Isla for a walk, and whilst we're taking Isla for a walk, we'll take you for a walk around as well and see this beautiful place that we call our retreat. So Anna showed you yesterday, that's us there. We're number 5. Excuse the washing on the decking. There will be some more going in there, just another 4, but not going to obstruct our view, fortunately. So we used to come up here about 20 years ago.
Yep.
when we lived in Arbroath. We had the touring caravan, and this used to be a touring site. You have to excuse the noise there. We're putting decking around some of the new places that have gone in. But yeah, we used to come here about 20 years ago, and this was a touring site. Who would have thought we'd ever end up back here with a place of our own? Eh?
I know, mad, isn't it?
Crazy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So all of that over there was touring pitches. All of that used to be touring pitches. That over there is going to have some more statics or lodges on. I think he's starting that this year. I think it's going to be at 72 all in all.
I know.
Like that, isn't it? Ida loves these bushes for some reason when we walk her out. She loves diving in there for the birds and things, I think. And then we've got over here, I don't know if let's go over to the door, Anna. So we've got a reception and office there, and then in here, should we go in and have a look? We've got a bit of a gym, and then in here is a got a sauna as well that's free to use. A huge shower there. And this, I think, is just a changing room that's often used for dropping off deliveries from Amazon and places like that. So yeah, that's in there. Got the restaurant next door, Anna, as well, haven't we? Come in.
It's only there.
Alright.
I'm going in.
It's closed on a Monday. What other days is it closed on? Monday and Tuesday. But yeah, there's a cafe here as well. Really nice. Does pizzas, I think on a Wednesday night and one other night during the week. You can get them delivered, take away. They're good, and he does theme nights in there as well, doesn't he?
Yeah.
I think the last one he did was a Portuguese night, and had lobster and crab and stuff like that. But it's really good. And Elder, who runs it, is a lovely bloke. Really nice, and Gio's the chef as well in the kitchen. Two teams doing the deck inlet.
See that, yeah.
So there's more there in that circle. I think there's 2 spots left on there. You can see one over the other side. Still quiet though, Anna, isn't it?
Still really quiet.
Yeah, still really, really quiet. Considering all of these are taken now, I think. I don't really see anybody. There's some lovely walks at the back there through the woods. And we've had a nice walk along the River Esk, haven't we? Just nice. Now. Through the Blue Door, through the Burn House, Rocks of Solitude. Take you there one day. And then here on got the pond right in the middle. That you can fish. Looking across to the cafe over there. It's got outside seating as well. Yeah, so that's kind of a bit of a quick tour of where we stay when we're not on the road.
Pretty nice.
With a bit of a view across to the pond. Obviously in the winter when the trees are gone, or the trees are bare, you can see
There's
right
someone
through.
going in front of our van.
No.
That's handy, isn't it?
And here we are. And what's good about it, again excuse the washing, is we can keep Twingle at the back. Show you the back. And there we go. Can't get out down there though because there's a bit of a dip. So I have to just reverse up there and out. Cracking view of the Edzell at the foot of the Cairngorms. Beautiful. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all.